Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you what is buy stop limit and sell stop limit and how to use it on the MT5 trading platform. The buy stop limit and sell stop limit is the combination of buy limit and buy stop, or sell limit and sell stop respectively. By the way, if you haven't watched my video on buy stop and sell stop, you can check it out by clicking the I button. Now, buy stop limit combines the first two types, being a stop order for placing buy limit. As soon as the future ask price reaches the stop level indicated in the order, a buy limit order will be placed at the level specified in the stop limit price field. A stop level is set above the current ask price, while a stop limit price is set below the stop level. Now, let us try to understand this. Let us say you are a breakout trader and enter a trade at the retest of an important level. Let us assume you found an entry on Euro GBP. You saw that the price is near a support area, and as you are a breakout trader, you will wait for the price to break the support and then enter at the retest of that area. For that, you can use a sell stop limit. For that, you will need two prices. First price will tell you the confirmed breakout of the support level, and the other price will tell you the confirmed retest of the level. In this case, the price which confirms the breakout will be 0.88476 and the price which will confirm the retest will be 0.88725. So as you want to enter at the retest of the level, you will have to enter the breakout price in the section and the retest price at the stop limit price section while placing a sell stop limit order. Let us see how to do that on the MT5 trading platform. For that, right click on the chart, go to trading option and then click on new order. Now here choose the currency pair. As we are using Euro GBP, we will choose Euro GBP. Now in the order type, choose pending order. As we want to open a sell stop limit, choose the sell stop limit. Now enter the lot size here. Now in the price section, we will enter the breakout price, which is 0.88476, and in the stop limit price section, we will enter the retest price, which is 0.88725. Now enter the stop loss and take profit, set the expiration time and click on place button. Your sell stop limit will be placed. In this order, when the price breakouts of the support zone and triggers this price, a sell limit will be automatically entered at the retest of the level which you chose. And the trade will only get executed after the price reaches the level, that is the retest level. So this is what a stop limit order is. The buy stop limit is just the opposite of the sell stop limit. And you have to go through the same steps that I told you in this video. This order can be very beneficial in trading if you want to limit or remove the emotions out of your trading. But the disadvantage is many times price does not retest to your desired level and hence your trade may not get executed. I hope you